Okay, just wait. Take that one yet.
Why?
Let's take a small one first. Okay.
I call taking that one though.
You can't call. Okay. Yeah. It's good.
I'm sorry, I'm way too tall. We'll get in here.
Mm. I made these before actually.
Okay, so that's our taste test. Bye, everybody.
No, wait.
Peace.
Nope. Nope. Finish this.
We will have to.
No, let's just enjoy it and enjoy the taste. It's just so delicious.
After this one, we're walking home. You have to have one more. I got this one.
My mom left something on the table, but okay. They're really good. Like, so good. I'm gonna have a chocolate stash.
Chocolate mustache, everyone.
We get it. You get the last one.
I accidentally ate hers.
You get the last one. There was best. You always get the last one.
What? I can't eat the last one. Okay, so that's it, everybody. Please subscribe to our video. Remember, Shaylin and Brooke doing another video next. Bye.
That's just weird, but okay, guys. Bye, my fishies. Bye.